This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make hummus from canned chickpeas without tahini. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need one 15-ounce can of chickpeas, drained and rinsed, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, 1 small garlic clove, and 2 tablespoons of good quality olive oil. These simple items are all you need to create a delicious, creamy dip right in your own kitchen. It's surprisingly easy and quick to prepare. Now, let's get blending. Add your drained chickpeas, lemon juice, garlic, and olive oil into a food processor. Process for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until the mixture becomes wonderfully smooth. If it seems too thick, you can add 1 to 2 tablespoons of cold water, 1 tablespoon at a time, until you reach your desired consistency. Remember to scrape down the sides occasionally for a perfectly uniform texture. Once your hummus is smooth, it's time to season it to perfection. Add a pinch of salt and a dash of black pepper. Give it a taste and adjust any flavors as needed. You might want a bit more lemon juice for tang or another small pinch of salt. For an extra layer of flavor, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cumin works beautifully. This step ensures your hummus is exactly how you like it. Your delicious, homemade hummus is now ready to enjoy. Transfer it to a serving bowl. For a beautiful presentation, drizzle a little extra virgin olive oil over the top and sprinkle with some fresh chopped parsley or a dash of paprika. It pairs wonderfully with warm pita bread, crunchy vegetable sticks, or even as a spread in sandwiches. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.